In this video, we're going to create what's called an exploded view. And in your technical drawings, your compliance drawings, you'll need to show your car exploded out like this. Now, our cars are going to be quite basic because it doesn't have wings and stuff which come off. But when you get front and rear wings and wheel support systems and wheels and tether line guides which start coming out of your car, then it starts getting a little bit more complicated. And you need this is a little bit more useful. So it should show all the parts popping out of your card design. And in Fusion, the way we create this is by using an animation. So we head into the animation space, and you can create this whatever's cool animation where all the parts pop out, but that's not going to be useful for us particularly. If you're going to competition, that might be handy to show that as a video or something, but it's not super critical at this point. You want to make sure your camera angle is one in the corner. You don't want to have some custom angle. You want to have this one in the corner, one that makes sense for your view. I'd always recommend working in this space here, pretty much. So just drag your timeline down to here. If you've worked with any sort of animation software before, timeline wouldn't be unfamiliar to you. One of the first things we want to do is hide out our virtual cargo and our wing regulations. Those things aren't going to be useful. They're not going to be stuff we're going to show you. They don't actually pop out of the car, so we'll just hide them out. So when we move around, try not to change the angle. We just want to keep that camera angle the same the whole time. All right. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to control click on our wheels. These are the first parts which are going to come out of the car. So I'm just going to use the transform, just drag it out. Now I'm going to drag this side out a little bit further because I want the axles and the grommets to come out in this space as well. Hit OK. I'll do the same on this side. So transform these parts. I'm not going to send these as far because it's only going to have the grommet which comes out in this space here. So you can either select them from here or you can click on them down there. Transform these ones. So I'm going to bring them right out so I've got room for my axles. Select these ones, drag them out. And then the last ones, I've got to move my axles. Drag them out to here. Okay. Now I've done all this in this setup space, so it's not recorded in the timeline, so it won't create an animation. But this is all I need for my my drawings. If you've modelled up your tether line guides, yeah, drag them down. They'll make an obvious layout. Now we can use a new drawing from animation and it will create a drawing of this page.